Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Frise and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information. And today's video is about mangoes and diabetes. Mango season is in full swing, and while we've all been enjoying this summer fruit, I've gotten a lot of worried, can I eat mangoes if I have diabetes questions, and so I thought I'd clarify this for you today. First things first, even if you have diabetes, there is no food that is completely off limits for you. You just need to figure how a particular food works for you and in what quantity it suits your health requirements. Mango is a sweeter food, and so there is a potential to have high blood sugars from it. But the problem is because of how much we eat at a time, not in the fruit itself. So yes, you can eat mangoes even if you have diabetes. Here's 5 things to keep in mind. Number 1, portion size. A lot of us go crazy eating mangoes because they are available for such a limited time period during the year. But you need to figure what portion of mango suits your blood sugars and your health needs. My advice, start with half a fruit at a time. See how your blood sugar responds to it after 2 hours. If your blood sugars are within the limits set for you by your doctor, you're good to eat that portion of mangoes. Number 2, food combinations. Eat mangoes with other foods rich in protein and fat, such as milk. So mango milkshake is a great idea. Or mango with nuts. The protein and the fat in these foods basically will blunt your blood sugar response and keep your blood sugars from going crazy high from eating only mango. Number 3, timing. A great time to eat mango is after a workout. This is the time when your body actually needs the higher sugar and the higher blood sugar spike in order to refuel and repair muscles. Almost all of us know that a post-workout meal also has some protein in it, and this in turn will help your blood sugar from spiking too high from the mango. Number 4, form. The form of the fruit can make a world of difference. Almost everyone will have better blood sugars to mangoes, the whole fruit, as compared to Aamras. Any fruit in liquid form will raise your blood sugar much quicker than the whole fruit, and so it is with mangoes too. So if you have diabetes, as much as possible, choose the whole mango fruit over Aamras. Number 5, balanced meal. But Aamras is yum, and even if you have diabetes, you can eat Aamras. This is how. Make sure it's part of your balanced plate, where you are also including half a plate of non-starchy vegetables and 1/4 of your plate as a protein option. The Aamras makes up the starch or the carbohydrate portion of your plate. So try these different and various strategies if you have diabetes and want to eat mangoes this season. What works for someone else might not work for you, so make sure that you try and test out all of them. Remember, no food is completely off limits and everyone responds differently to different foods. My blood sugar response to mangoes will not be the same as yours. So do what works for you, for your health and for your blood sugar levels. Finally, if you really want to eat mangoes but are feeling confused about how to include these in your diet, reach out to me and I'll help you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave them in the comments below or simply reach out to me on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.